lakh,
Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. How many digits in your hand now?
ones, tens,
6
hundreds.
digits.
Ma'am, 6 digits.
6 digits. Okay. So in lakh, how many digits?
6
6. In
digits.
10 lakh? 10 lakh, how many?
7 digits.
7 digits. Crore?
8 digits.
8 digits. Okay. So now we are going to start comparing the numbers. Comparing the numbers. First, what you have to do, you have to count the number of digits. If one is 6 digit, another one is 7 digit number, which will be bigger? 7 digit
The
number.
7-digit
7
number.
digit number.
7-digit number.
7 digits. So how you are studying the comparison from smaller classes, comparing 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, same like that we will compare the 7 digit, 8 digit numbers. So first
Okay,
what you
ma'am.
have to do, Alim, first what you have to do? Please unmute and speak. Please unmute. Alim, okay. What did I say? How to compare the numbers? First, what do you have to do? First, what do you have to do? Just now we finished, no? Saying that.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Alim, it's the computer that audio is connected to the system. Like how Nandita told in the last period. Alim, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am,
Please
Alim is
connect to the audio.
connecting to audio.
Okay, Richard, what we have to do now? Tell me first what you have to do to compare the numbers.
First place the digits.
Okay, I said no now. We have to count.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, say. Who was
I came late for the class.
Ananda.
Ananda? Okay, Ananda, please tell.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
first we should count the
Count the number of
digits.
digits. Okay, first we have to count the number of digits. Okay, the number with more number of digits. Okay, but in 100 we have 3 digits. In 10, like 90, we have only 2 digits. So which is more big? We know the number with more number of digits. Okay, so so and you know which is small symbol for less than? Crocodile mouth, closed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So what you have to do now, whenever we are going to compare, first you have to count the number of digits. First count the number of digits. If two numbers have same number of digits, what do you have to do? We have to compare the more
Ones place.
Numbers.
digit, which is the biggest place value. Okay. So 300, I will ask, mute and I will ask because some sound disturbance. So if I have, who is that? Let me ask. Alok, please unmute. Please unmute. Alok. Okay.
Yes,
So if two numbers have same number of digits, for example, 316 and 320. Okay. 316 and 320. How many number of digits, Alok, there? Please unmute. Alok. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 316 and 320. How many number of digits are there?
4.
4. 316.
16 and 20 only, no?
316. One number. How many digits?
Okay. 3 digits.
3 digits. 320. How many number of digits?
3 digits.
3 digits. So if two numbers, they are with the same number of digits. One is 316, 320. Which is big?
320.
20. So how we know here means first the highest place value number, that is 100. Ones, tens, 100. 316, 320. 3 and 3 in the 100 place, both numbers are same. 3 and 3. So what we will do? We will go for the next place value, that is tens. In that we have 1 and 2, which is big.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is big? Alok? 1 or 2?
Ma'am. 2.
2. So we know how to compare the numbers with the small numbers. So here we are going to start comparing the numbers. So what I want you to do, all the children, you have to draw one place value chart over there. One place value chart means starting with ones.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now we should draw.
And now we are going to do that question.
Okay, ma'am.
So can you before we are going to do question number 17 in the book.
Ma'am, is it drawing workbook?
Yes, we are going to do in question number 17. Agne, can you please read question number 17? All of you please listen. Agne, please
Compare.
read question number 17.
Compare
yes, compare.
9 crores 23 lakhs 95,678 and
Okay. And
54 lakhs
54
87
lakhs. Please count the number of digits. Yes, 54 lakh, correct.
54
Crore
lakhs
place is missing. Okay.
87,324.
24. Okay, children. So, counting the number of digits, we are able to find which is small and which is big. Which number is big, Agne?
9 lakh 23,000.
9 what?
9 crore.
Crore. 9 crore. It's not lakh. So that number is big. But I want all of you to draw one place value box. I will show that. Then what you have to do? Place the number in the boxes. How we have done in question number 15 and 16. You remember? Question number 15 and 16 in the last period. We
Yes,
have like the same. We have to draw one. Here only 2 line is enough. 2 line because we have only 2 digits and one for the place values.
Okay, ma'am.
Ananda, can you please mute? It's already muted. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should draw the place value chart and write the numbers.
Yes. Write the number inside. Okay.
Ma'am, we just need to do that much.
First we have to place that. Then we have to
Okay,
find
ma'am.
out. Then I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, chart in the workbook.
Workbook. Yes. Question number 17. What do you have to do? Draw one box. Start with ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Then in 2 boxes, you have to write the number. Place the number.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Just trying. Okay.
Ma'am, we can see.
Ma'am, we can see some.
Ma'am, now we can see.
Okay. Wait. I'm doing that only.
Using the webcam.
Ma'am, I can't see the.
Children, I didn't share the screen. Can you write? Okay, this is the question. Compare. And what you have to do? You have to draw the place value chart.
Ma'am, I draw the place value chart.
Okay.
Ma'am, in international system or in.
We are going to do this in
Indian system.
system because we have already said that numbers in crore and all, no? So what you have to do is,
The number.
okay. So can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so no need to write that. Let us write the given numbers in place value. No need to write that. We have to see the place value chart. You can draw it. Okay, so first you have to place the it's not this number.
No, ma'am.
Oh, no, no. Okay, okay, let me check.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay,
I
okay.
draw it separate.
Not this question, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. I draw it separate.
Separate means?
Yeah, both separate. Ma'am, both of the numbers I wrote it
Separate.
separate.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, one
Ma'am,
minute.
no.
ma'am,
And your
excuse me,
video is
ma'am.
off and you're muted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're muted.
I think power failure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Not power failure, I think so.
Ma'am, your video is off when you're muted.
When you are
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's recorded.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, we can see a board. Ma'am, your video and audio is off. Ma'am, you're muted and your video is off.
Ma'am, you're muted and your video is off.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, have you completed that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, completing.
Yes?
Completing.
Completing. Okay.
Ma'am, can you screen share?
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. Not this question.
Ma'am,
So children, did you write the numbers in the boxes?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
No,
Ah,
Ma'am.
who is calling me?
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do that. Place the numbers in the boxes.
Can you share the screen?
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, this one?
Not this one. I'm checking. I'm taking that one only. Okay, wait.
And that is 18th question.
That is 18th question. Children, can you draw the picture like the? Can you draw the boxes like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the numbers are different, but I want to show you how to draw the table. Okay, ones place, tens place, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh, and place the numbers. Which are the numbers? Which are the numbers?
And crore also there, ma'am.
9 crore
9 crore 23 lakhs
to
95,678.
95,678. You have to add crore also, Angelina, because that number is 9 crore. Okay. So you have to add that crore also. But in the second number where we will start with the 10 lakh place. Okay. So can you tell me which is big one? I mean, which is the number bigger number?
Ma'am, the first one. Ma'am, the first one.
First one means, can you read the number?
9 crore,
Ah,
23 lakh, 23 lakh, 95,678.
8. So what you have to do, you have to write that number, then write bigger sign, that mouth open, the open side, then write the
Okay,
number.
ma'am.
Okay, that is why how we are going to compare the numbers.
After drawing place value we should compare, right?
Huh?
Can we compare after the drawing place?
After drawing, it will be easy for you to compare. That's why we are drawing this. Okay. Fia, I will share the screen. Okay. Now the same way you can do question number 18. First row, what do you have to do? Same. Question number 18, also same. What do you have to do? You have to first draw place value chart.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I meant
Ma'am, the next one we should do it in the Indian system.
same Indian system. Okay,
Okay,
Indian
ma'am.
system only children we are going to do now.
Excuse ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, after we wrote the place value chart, under that, what we should write in the words?
No need to write in the words. You have to write the number, then you have to keep the symbol less than
Yes,
or
ma'am,
greater
less.
than. Okay, then write the number.
Only that much?
Only that much. Question number 17
Okay,
and
ma'am.
18, we are going to do the same.
Okay.
Okay, can you see question number 18?
Now,
Draw
yes,
the,
ma'am.
okay. Can you see the number? Children, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can see the screen,
okay.
but it's not that question.
Question number 18, no? Is this question number 18?
Yes, ma'am, this is question number
This is the
18.
question. This
Yes,
is the
ma'am,
question.
18.
Okay. Question number 18 we are doing now. Question number 17 also we have done like this. And which is the
Okay,
biggest number? 9 crore 23 lakh 95,678 greater than 54 lakh 87,324. Same like this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, like this, we should write in the 18th question like that. We should write in the
18th question,
17th
yeah, like
question.
this. Okay, yes. 17 and 18 like the same way. Can you see the board? Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to write. Let us write the given numbers in the place value chart. I told you, you don't need to write that sentence. What you have to do? First start with the table, place value chart. Then what you have to do? Write the number which is bigger. Only that much. No need to write in words. Okay. Write the number and keep the bigger sign. Here we have one number is 37 lakh 86,456. How many digits are there? How many digits are there?
7.
7.
7 digits. So children, before start writing, what you have to do? First, count the number of digits. So first one we have 7 digits. In the second one, how much number is there? Alim? 6 digits. So we know that the number with 7 digits bigger than number with 6 digits. Yes. So you can, I will share the screen, that one again. Abhimanyu. So children, what I told you to do, you have to draw this box, write the place values, 1, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then what you have to write the second number, for 2 numbers in the same box. Then it is clear from the table that the number with more number of digits, that is the biggest one. So write that bigger number, then you have to keep the greater than symbol, then write the small number. No need to write the this sentence number of digits in this is more than the number of digits. No need to write that.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Finished?
Ma'am, it was switched off.
Which one?
Ma'am, my tab.
Huh?
Ma'am, in the class, my tab was switched off.
Okay. That's why you joined late?
No, ma'am. I was there in the class.
Then my tab was switched off.
Okay. Then you joined again. Yes. Okay, John, we are doing question number 17 and 18. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how to compare the numbers? We have to count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. So the number with more number of digits, that number is bigger than the other number. If both have the same number of digits, what do you have to do? Gautam? If both the numbers have the same number of digits, what do you have to do? Gautam, can you unmute? Huh? Ammu?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say if both the numbers have same number of digits? How to compare the number of digits? How to compare the numbers?
We should check the numbers.
Ah.
The
First,
ones place, tens place, hundreds
no,
place.
we have to start with the ones place.
Uh,
We have
lakh,
to start with the
10
large
lakh.
place value with biggest place value. Okay, greater place value digits. You have to start comparing. If that greatest place value digit that is same, what you have to do? Check the next place value. Okay. So is that clear comparison?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Before we were not going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
number 19, but 19 is arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. What is meant by ascending order? Who can say? Richard, can you say?
Smaller to bigger.
Smallest to
Largest.
bigger, largest or biggest. And what about descending order, Chris Joe? Descending order?
Big to small.
Big to
Big
small.
to small, in the opposite. Okay. So all these we know. Only thing, the numbers are bigger here, large numbers. Last year, till how many digits you have done?
1,000.
Till
10,000.
10,000. How many digits in 10,000?
5.
5.
5 digits in 10,000.
5 digits. So the same way we can also do the ascending order and descending order. Okay.
And can we
Yes,
can we do the 17th 19th question?
19th we will do later. Can you please type your in the chat box attendance?
Ma'am, we should put the attendance in the chat box.
You just write your name. Okay? In the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
All of
Ma'am,
you,
to
please.
you privately.
Not privately. You can put.
Ma'am, I sent my name in the
I
chat
can
box.
see. I can see. Okay, children.
Ma'am, I also
have sent.
Okay, children. I can see. I can see. Okay, I will read.
Ma'am, I consent.
You cannot send? What happened, Alim?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I will mark your attendance.
Ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am,
Okay, Ananda, Adina, Devak, Isha, Ayman, Gaudam, Richard, Chinmay, Adil, Ammu, Harsha, Fia, Anusri, Brightlin, Anandesh, Nandida, Agnay, Anina, Srihari, Angelina, John, Daniel, Dia, Chris Joe, Blesswin, Anthony, Catherine,
Excuse me.
Pia.
Excuse me, ma'am. Abhimanyu has sent to me Abhimanyu. I think I asked them.
Ma'am, I didn't put everyone, ma'am.
Okay, Abhimanyu, you can keep that in the chat box for everyone. Don't send personally. Abhimanyu, you want always you have to on your video. Yes. Okay, now type to everyone. Okay, till Fia, I can see here.
Mommy.
Who's that?
Alim.
Alim. Okay, Alim.
Ma'am, time is over.
Okay, time is over. That's why I told you to write.
Ma'am, I have sent it privately to you.
Ma'am, I also
Okay,
have
to put for everyone, no problem. Only your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, children. It's time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, 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 bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
have a
Bye,
nice
bye,
day.
bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.